Hi, I'm Victor Paul, and I'm an advocate for Enjoy. Today I'm going to show you guys a new look, how to do a fish braid wrapped in leather. At this time you probably want to use a little bit of the creamy pomade to help control some of those flyaways around her hair. What I like about the creamy pomade is it's really light, and it's going to give her hair a little extra shine. So I could slick it down her hair. It's going to help control some of those flyaways. Then you just take your comb. You're going to comb the hair back. And you see how nice that is, that the flyaways have now just disappeared? We're going to take that, comb it back, and put it into a ponytail. I'm going to take a little bit more of the creamy pomade just to get rid of the extra flyaways, and it's also going to give the hair a little bit more shine. So I'm just taking a small amount just like that, and then lightly touching that hair to give it that little extra sheen. It's just going to give the hair just a little bit more polished look. I'm also going to run a little bit through the ponytail. I'm actually going to use a little bit more because I want to add a little bit more shine to each piece. So I'm just going to add a little extra to that ponytail. So then I'm just going to take a piece of leather that I bought at any craft store. So you want to take it and tie it, but you want to put this here. Put this hair up so that way you could tie a knot underneath. You want to tie the knot underneath so that way the knot doesn't show. And then what's nice about the leather ones, it'll stay taut just by itself. So then I'm going to just take this little leather piece, I'm going to wrap it a couple of times around the rubber band to make sure it's covered really well. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hold this over here with this piece of hair, with that clippy. I'm going to take a section of hair, and I'm just simply going to clip it over here. I'm going to get my leather strap, wrap it over here. I'm just going to have Lindsay hold that right there. And then I'm going to take the other piece of hair on this side, polish it up a little bit more with that creamy pomade that's left over in my hand. I'm just going to place it right there. And then I'm going to take the leather band. Make sure your leather band stays, flat. You don't really want it twisted. And then you're just going to stick like that. You make it nice and tight. I'm going to pin this over here one more time. And here's towards the end. What I'm going to do is just wrap it a few more times down. Take it here. Tie that just into a little knot. Pull the hair up. And you want to make sure the knot goes underneath. It's nice and tight now. Kind of push it all up. I'm going to take that excess leather that's there. I'm just going to cut it. Put it down. I'm going to drop this side. And then I'm going to drop this side. So that's how you get a fishtail braid wrapped in leather.